The ins and outs of the IELTS listening test format. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS listening test format. This test can be a challenge, but understanding its structure will surely give you an edge. Let's get started. The IELTS listening test is designed to assess your ability to understand spoken English in various contexts. It lasts approximately 30 minutes, with an additional 10 minutes given at the end to transfer your answers from the question booklet to the answer sheet. The test is divided into 4 sections. 1. Section 1. A conversation between two speakers set in an everyday social context. This could be a conversation about booking a hotel room, for example. 2. Section 2. A monologue set in an everyday social context. This might be a speech about local facilities or a guide explaining the rules and regulations of a place. 3. Section 3. A conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or training context. This might be a university tutor and a student discussing an assignment. 4. Section 4. A monologue on an academic subject. For example, a university lecture. Each section becomes progressively more challenging, moving from everyday situations to academic content. There's a variety of question types you'll encounter. Multiple choice, matching, plan, map, diagram labeling, form, noun phrase, table, flowchart, summary completion, sentence completion. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with each of these to effectively tackle every section of the test. 1. Practice active listening. While you can only listen to the audio once, ensure you are fully concentrated and not distracted. 2. Note down keywords. Jot down essential details, as these will help you answer the questions. 3. Always read instructions. Each section may have unique instructions. Don't skip them. And that's a wrap on the IELTS listening test format. We hope this overview has given you a clearer picture of what to expect and how to prepare. Remember, practice makes perfect. Best of luck, and happy learning!